Ever since trying surfing in Lanzarote, I've been wanting to go to TOFINO to try it out, and I thought no better time than my 30th birthday. So here's a little video of our experience there and a little bit of surfing. From Vancouver, we jumped on a bus to Horseshoe Bay, and from there we took a ferry to Nanaimo. We were able to rent a car there and drive ourselves to TOFINO. So we made it! We're on the island. We just got our car, stopping over in Coombs. Super small little town, but they got a nice little market we're gonna check out, get some food, and then continue on to Parksville and then TOFINO for our Airbnb.
This is the ultimate stop on the way to TOFINO. This is a super well famous known place. In the summer, you can contemplate goats on this green roof here, grazing in the grass.
We were able to check out this awesome little store, had products from all over the world, and we decided to have a little bit of lunch as well before making our way to the cabin. It was on the way to TOFINO, and I highly recommend anyone to stop over quickly to take a look at it. Bon dia! We're here at our little cabin, and we're gonna go check out TOFINO today. The next day we decided to go take a look at the small town and see what it had to offer. Checked out a couple markets and of course the beaches.
Wow, I want to do that. That looks so much fun. We're on Chesterman Beach.
Chesterman Beach, this is just one of the beaches where you can surf.
South Chesterman, and there's tons of people in the water. The waves are not too bad. It's like super encouraging if you want to like begin to get in the water and paddle and surf like we are. We're super beginners in green, but it's like seeing this is like super encouraging to see this. There's kids, all kinds of people. We're just having a good time.
After checking out the town, we had to go and take a look at the different spots to go surfing. And of course the infamous Long Beach area. You can do quite a bit of surfing here as well, but we decided to just hit up Chesterman. Alright, we're about to head it in and try it out. See how it goes. We're wearing 5mm wetsuits, but after jumping in the water and moving around, you heat up and you get used to it. Despite the cold water, I really enjoyed surfing. I was using a smaller surfboard, making it a little bit more difficult to get up, but it was really enjoyable when I was able to stand that one time. Yeah! North Chesterman was a lot more calm, but you did have waves that were about 5 feet off the surface, so you had time to plan out and catch that perfect wave. Okay, Emily, how do you feel?
Humbled, cold, and exhilarated. How do you feel?
It was a good surf day. Yeah.
And waves are a powerful perspective wave.
Yeah. There are two different areas where you could surf, and we tried both, and it was fantastic. Definitely worth coming back to surf these beaches. It was amazing. The next day we decided to go to Cathedral Grove Park. They have some of the oldest trees in Canada. A lot of Douglas firs, with some as old as 800 years old. Despite the rain, it was an awesome day. Really happy to be turning 30 in such a lovely place in the world. After this trip, we definitely fell in love with TOFINO and see ourselves going back to do more surfing or just exploring. The island itself has a lot to offer, and there's tons of places to go and check out. Very accessible from Vancouver. Ferry is less than $30. And with the public transport in Vancouver, it's no problem to get to Horseshoe Bay to jump on that ferry. So that's the end of our TOFINO trip. It was so good hitting those waves, being here in this chill environment, and the cabin was amazing.